Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel CognitiveCoders. So today in this video we'll see one of the most important real-time scenario. This kind of scenario we can see in batch processing basically. Okay, so lots of company or any kind of data engineering field whenever we are doing batch processing, the data is collecting through batch file. That time we are following this kind of scenarios. Okay, we can face this kind of scenarios. Okay, so we'll see. This is how to extract timestamp from source file name in PySpark. Okay, so batch processing, how the things is going on. So batch processing is basically the data is coming through a batch. Okay, batch data, not real time data is not updating. So in a day, somehow in a specific time, the whole amount of data of last 24 hours data, it will come to our space, and in a file format. Okay, CSV file format, any pocket file format, or any kind of file format. Okay, so the file might be like this also. 1 minute, I'm showing you. Mm, this file might be like this also. This kind of format. Okay, first file name, then the timestamp will be there. So this kind of format, how to extract the extract the timings from this format. So whenever the files are coming to our data lake or some kind of storage system. Okay, so that time, in file name only the timestamp is loaded. So loading this timestamp, the file is coming to our system. So inner of this file, whatever data is there, so which time the data is coming to our system, our zone, that we can specify. So using this time only, so that thing we'll see that how this thing is happening, how we can specify our data's timing, whatever batch data is coming through this file, and how to segregate the data based on the timing, that we will see. Okay, so without wasting time, let's go to our uh, workspace. If you have not understood the problem solution, then also it is okay, don't need to think. If you go through the full video, then you will get to understand that what I am expecting to do. Okay, so basically I have already written the whole code. Okay, for saving the time. Okay, so first, this the file whatever I have shown here, I have taken it to my DBFS. Okay, database file system. So if I will go to the source file, then I can see the file name and with timestamp only. Okay, so this thing, first what I am doing, I'm loading this CSV file with a column, the input file name. Okay, so the input file name thing also I have used in my earlier videos also. If you have not seen, please go through the video, the PySpark database tutorial series, that is in my playlist. You can see there, you will get it from there. So it is nothing but basically from where the data is importing, the file name it is capturing. Okay, this function. So if I will run this thing, so let it run, and the data has come. Okay, so we have the data like this, and the source file path, I'm creating one new column here, source file path. So whatever data it is collecting, so its source file also will be in the data frame. Okay, if I will have another file name, so employee details 2024, in another date it is 16, date of 16. If it will be 17, then the file will be like 17/1/2024, like this. Okay, so I'm showing you for one file, but you can practice it with two, three, multiple files. Okay, so in this way you can load the file, and after that what you need to do, you need to extract only the file name. Okay, because you need to extract the timestamp from the file name only. Don't need to use the other path, the file path. This thing you need to avoid. So for avoiding this thing, what you need to do, you can use the regex expression. So I have already written the regex expression here. Okay, so using this regex, okay, so using this regex, you can you can extract your file name from this kind of file path scenario. Okay, the regex extract function, okay, I'm using here the regex extract function, and after that I'm giving the source file path, the column name, and after that basically the regex extract, it is taking three arguments. The source file path means the column name, the after that the expression what to be extracted, the expression thing, and after that uh, the index. Okay, so I need to use the I need to extract the third index. That is the thing. Okay, this is the third index. Okay, first is this, second is this, third is this. On this way I have written the regex string. Okay, but if you have any other idea, you can also do that. Regex expression, it is depending on you how you are writing the expression. So based on that you need to extract the index. Okay, you can also take the whole thing in one index, and this thing in second index, then you need to write it here too, but I have segregated first, then second, and then from source file to file second, and this is the third. Okay, so if I will now run this cell using the with column, so it will fetch the only the file name. Okay, so the source file path, it is not required for me. I can drop it from here also. Drop the file. If I will drop the file, then what I need to write, source file path. It is not required for now. I have extracted my file name. So now the data frame came like this. Okay. So now what I need to do, I need to extract the timestamp from this. So for this I'm using this strip time function. This is a typical Python function. Okay, if you know the Python, then it is very much easy for you. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm using the datetime module. In datetime module there is a function strip time. So it is basically what it used to do, it basically used to fetch the timestamp from any of the string based on the given format. So you need to pass the format here, and you need to pass the string here. Strip time basically take the two argument. It used to take the two argument. First is the whatever the string, and second is whatever is the format from where we need to extract the thing. Okay, and after that as we are this is a function, no need to multiple time call. You can register your function in using the UDF. Okay, user defined function. So how to register it, that I have already spoken in my UDF functionalities. Okay, PySpark database playlist. In PySpark database playlist you will get this 35 video, that is UDF, user defined function, how to create, how to utilize this. Please go and watch it before watching this video, then you will get more clarification. So in UDF we need to return the data type also after using the function, what kind of data it will return. So I need the data in timestamp format. Okay, so that's why I have mentioned here. Okay, so here date time dot strip time, how I am matching the thing, that in a simple compiler. You can use your compiler also. I have used here the online GDB compiler. I have taken my format first here, then I have taken this in strip time argument, and I have given the format. Based on this format I need to extract, and for the checking purpose I have run it, and in console I can see my data is coming very well. So I can use this for this format. Okay, so in this way I can select the my format also. So whenever if you have the source file format different, you can use this method. First you check it in your Python code, then you take the format to here only. Okay, here only. Then simple, the UDF function has been created. So if I will run it now, my function is okay. Now I can use my function in my code. Now here the simple thing, once again I am creating one column with source file date time. uh, there I am using the function, the whatever function name I have given, the function in source file column, the source file column. Okay, the source file column, and after that I am returning my function in date format. Okay, I have used the date format to get the format whatever based on my requirement. Okay, so I have given the format. Okay, so if I will run this thing, let's run this thing. Now I'm getting the format. Okay, source file date time, whatever date time it is, you are getting. So let's see the data type here. So all the thing I'm getting now, as I have converted it, I have used here date format. Okay, I have formatted the data. It is not giving me the timestamp format or the date, any date format. Okay, it is giving me the string format. Okay, so if you want to extract the date, year or time thing, okay, you need to convert it to the timestamp or the date format using the toDate function that I have already spoken on my this video, this 44 video, the date related function how to use, the timestamp related function how to use. You can go, I will also give it to the I button so that you can directly access it. Okay, so you can utilize that function also for extracting the date, hour, minute, second, these things. Okay, I will not show it here. It's your homework, you can do it by yourself. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ping me through LinkedIn or topmate. Okay, that the link has been given in this video description. Okay, or you can directly connect with us on our Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel, or in my Insta. Okay, so all the link has been given to the video description. You can connect with me if you have any kinds of doubt, and if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is Cognitive Coders, as I have told it earlier also. So this is the Cognitive Coders YouTube channel. Please support us. You guys support is really much required to us to grow our channel, to reach the maximum amount of audience, so that they also get benefit of this video. I have uploaded 85 videos already on data engineering. There is multiple MNCs question, the real-time scenarios, and also PySpark and databricks related important functions video, which will create your base pillar of data engineering. Okay, please go through this. All the links, all the playlist links I also given in the I button. You can go through it. Please watch, and if you have any kind of suggestion, you can give me on the comment box. Okay, and please stay with us. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.